Have you ever heard of Cowheels? This is a TRINI classic and it is also my all-time favorite soup. Let me show you how I make my Cowheel soup. So I prepare my ingredients from the night before. I put my split peas to boil. I cut up my pumpkin, some carrots, some garlic, pimentos, and I prepared my cowheel, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. But look at how beautiful this cowheel was. And last but not least, I wanted to add some corn to my soup because I love corn in soup. So for the cowheels, I first wash them really well in vinegar water and then I score them. And this process is just boiling the cowheel for about 10 minutes and all the impurities will float to the top, but we are not cooking the cowheel all the way through. This water gets discarded and the cowheels gets rinsed in clean water. Now guys, I have a slow cooker and it comes in handy for this kind of thing because while I am sleeping, my peas and cowheels could be softening, and I do just that. I add my split peas and my cowheels, I covered it with water and I set it on high. This went for about 6 to 8 hours. Now since everything was beautifully prepped the night before, let's head on to the morning. So to be honest with you, I could never make a small pot of soup. So I got one of my larger pots, not the largest pot, one of my larger pots, and my cowheel and my split peas has already been perfectly cooked. I don't want it to get any softer. So first I'm going to put in my veggies. Here I just have some dried thyme and I just, as it's dried, it comes off so easily from the stem. I don't really want to add all those stems in there. Yeah. And whatever remains, I can just fish it out. Now I'm going to add my corn, carrots, and pumpkin. Oh, you see? This pot actually looks like it's too small now. This is a thing in the Caribbean. You see how the spoon is dented? I actually got this spoon from my mom and I am not even sure where she got it from, but it has been passed on from generation to generation. You see that? All these scars are battle scars because we need to knock the pot a couple times. Yeah, so oh, by the way, I have some beef stock in here that I made. If you don't have beef stock, you can use vegetable stock, you can use chicken stock, or you can just use water and season really well. I think I just want to add a little more water to here just to kind of cover the veggies. Yes. Now my beef stock does not have any salt in it, so I'm just going to add some salt to my soup. And what I like to do is make sure it's well salted, but for the actual seasonings, they go in a bit later on. So just some salt and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and the fresh seasonings will go in a little after. But you all know, if I am making soup, my soup has to be on the yellower side. I don't know what it is with me, but I just feel as though if I am making split pea soup, my soup's supposed to be yellow like split pea. If I'm making lentil soup, my soup's supposed to be brown like lentils. And what really helps with the nice color on the soup is the pumpkin and the carrots as well, because I like the pumpkin to soften up a bit and actually thicken the soup. I have one more vegetable to add here. Let me add it one time. I have a couple of potatoes here. They go in. And to be very honest, I still like my potatoes to have some texture. I don't like very mushy potatoes in soup. I like to be able to identify some of the vegetables. The pumpkin, that can melt away and it's completely fine, but those potatoes, and if it is I decide to put root vegetables in there, I need to see them. I need to see them. When this comes up to a boil and my veggies are 3/4 of the way cooked, Then I'm going to add my cow heel and my split peas to this, and my dumplings as well. Oh, you know what I also have to add? I never make soup without this. I love it. Just add it to there. It beefs up the flavor really nicely. Got it? Beef up. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, that's so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna cover it and we'll check it when it starts to boil. So since I have these pretty nails, I will not be kneading the flour by hand. And I have some salt, about 4 to 5 cups of flour, half of a tablespoon of salt, and half of a cup of yellow corn flour. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to begin. Now I want a dough that is not too chewy but not too soft, just right. When it comes to dumplings, just think of me as Goldilocks. My dough, it is not too stiff, not too soft. It is perfect. So I'm gonna leave it for a couple of minutes, let it rest, and then I will come back and we will start rolling it out. Now we in the Caribbean, we have a lot of different methods to making dumplings. This method is one of my favorite for making soup dumplings when I have time, and if I don't have time, I make lazy dumplings, and I'll show you how that goes at some point in time, but today we're doing it the proper way. So this method is basically just cutting the dough into strips and then rolling it out into logs of your desired thickness, and then you're just gonna chop them up into your desired length as well. It's all about you and what you prefer. Don't let nobody tell you differently. So after about 15 minutes, my vegetables are softened enough, and it's time to add my tender cow heel and my cooked split peas to my soup. Wow! Yes. Oh, make no mess, baby. Wow, that is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Oh, baby, gorgeous. Let me start fishing out these whole pieces. Gorgeous. And this could be done right here, but we need to add those dumplings. My soup is boiling. I forgot to put a hot pepper. I just cut it open and I'm dropping it in there. Sometimes I pulverize it with the finishing seasonings, but I really want to do that today. I want to control the heat as much as possible. If I want more spice, I will add some cayenne pepper to my own personally. So let's add those dumplings. I'm just gonna put them in like that. I should use this hand so you can see what I'm doing. But it's so full, and I still have more dumpling to put in there. So let's just freaking add it. Just keep adding. So now I have some green seasoning, freshly blended seasonings, and this is a mixture of chives, shadowbenny, pimentos, garlic, and I'm just going to add it in here. Oh my gosh, and this makes the soup extra pretty. extra pretty. Now remember, this pot is full, so I have to time to come out. I have to do my best to turn my soup without breaking up my dumplings, not my dumplings, without breaking up my potatoes and without making a mess. But wow, I am going to enjoy this soup. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we need to get her closer. Come here, baby. Yes, let's go down there. Oh my gosh. You're so beautiful. And don't forget to whisper nice affirmations to your pot of soup and to yourself, because you have done a spectacular job. Oh my, this is so good. This is super good. Now when the soup cools, it's going to get a little thicker. So I don't like a very thick soup initially, because it's going to get thicker as it cools. Look at that. I'm going to let it cook on very low for about 5 minutes again, and that should finish up the dumplings. And then we will get to tasting. Look at that. It is gorgeous. It's beautiful. Oh, baby. Oh, my goodness. This is crazy. I'm going to make a mess. Okay. Okay, we want dumplings in there. And we want cowheel in there. And we want corn in there. Yes, just like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, we also need some potatoes in there. Yeah, let's get some potatoes in there. Yeah, right there. Just to finish it off. Because why not? Okay. Ow. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful.
Bruh.
Stop mocking me. It's time to taste it. Listen, my favorite part of the soup is the dumpling and the pumpkin. I mean, everything is lovely, but there just wouldn't be any soup without dumpling and pumpkin. Let's go. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, you'll need to see me eat this. Guys, it is raining outside, so this is the perfect comfort meal. Soup is something that I probably make like once a month, and I tend to go all in when I am making soup. Anyways, I am enjoying this. I am going to sit and enjoy the rain and enjoy my soup. And my son is also here waiting to have his bowl. So I am going to see you all later. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. And I will see you soon. Enjoy.